Hello, this is Chanel with WTI, and these are my Juvale treat bags. I love them for my business use, my workspace here at home. Depending on the customer, I'm able to fit different things inside of each bag or the same thing in each bag. The size of them is perfect for dainty jewelry or for even something like a scrunchie or something that's not as small. And I've had these sitting in my desk for a little while, and the color and print is still just as clear and vibrant. They've not faded as time has gone on. I needed something for my business, something I could put my goodies in for my customers to make them feel special. And I found that this is exactly what gets the job done and what helps my customers be able to feel happy about things that I give them and help them feel excited. And that is why I love these Juvale bags, and that is my point of view.